we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So I'm looking at these Super-Automatic Espresso Machines, the Philips 3200 and the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus. What do you think?
Okay, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the De'Longhi is significantly pricier, like double the cost of the Philips.
Yeah, I noticed that. Is it worth the extra money?
Well, it depends on what you're after. The Philips is simpler. It offers 5 coffee varieties, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool.
It's also a renewed model, which might explain the lower price.
True. The De'Longhi, on the other hand, boasts a whopping 24 one-touch recipes and the ability to customize them.
Plus, it learns your preferences and puts your favorite drinks first, which sounds pretty convenient.
Exactly! And it has a full touch color screen, which is definitely more modern than the Philips button interface.
Both have automatic milk frothers, right?
Yes, but the De'Longhi uses what they call latte crema technology.
It froths both regular milk and alternatives, and you can tweak the foam density. The Philips uses their LatteGo system, which also makes nice froth, but might not be as customizable. What about the grinders? Are they any different?
Both have ceramic grinders. The Philips claims theirs are good for 20,000 cups.
The De'Longhi has 13 grind settings, so you can really dial in your preferred coarseness.
Size-wise, they're pretty similar, although dimensions are slightly different.
The De'Longhi is a tad lighter, but only by a bit.
The Philips has an aroma seal to keep beans fresh, which is a nice touch.
I imagine both machines are relatively easy to clean, given they're super automatic.
De'Longhi highlights dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning.
Ultimately, it sounds like the De'Longhi is the better machine, but if you're on a budget or just want something simple, the Philips is still a solid choice.
I agree. If you want all the bells and whistles and love experimenting with different coffee drinks, the De'Longhi is the way to go.
If you just want a good cup of coffee with minimal fuss, the Philips does the trick. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.